We are live in Enugu. As you can see, with evidence in our hands, we are chopping up. Oh, to the K, to the P, to the A. But live in Enugu.
Yeah. You come to Enugu, never chop up. Yeah. That means you went to Alaugu.
Yes, Alaugu.
You go to Enugu. Forget it.
I'm going to Imo Odega.
Of course.
Imo Sinang or Kai.
And of course, we are on the set of bottom power. The set of bottom power. Yes. Yes, and only the TV production, right? Directed by Ken Steve. And of course, and of course, OJ is in the building.
The only man, the only director who direct comedy without laugh.
That is it, though.
When not the laugh, I do all the laugh. Waiting people will go watch. That one is your business. Now your problem pass everybody on.
I want that.
You know they laugh. You know lots of the acts.
You know
go laugh. Even sometimes you know John when you. They sweet them.
But it is sweet them, yes. If you look in face sometimes, you say, go give you one small smile. You go give yourself encouragement, say, I try. I'm not going to laugh. I'm not going to laugh very well. Some people even laugh, leave camera. But director do the try. But he's very good anyway.
He's a nice person though.
He's a nice guy.
No matter his heart is so touchy.
Yeah.
If you are watching us, we want you to subscribe to Onyeze TV on YouTube.
On YouTube, yes.
If you are not watching from Onyeze TV, that means
yeah, click on the notification button. Like Bakbam Ogula. If you do not do it, meanwhile you're an EP. AKA enemy of progress. And I'm going to tell you something. You do me a favor, please, and get out of here, man. In fact, in Igbo, that's how